Welcome back to another episode of the NaytonTech vlog. This is vlog number 8. I've got a lot of stuff to talk about today, so I'll make it quick. I haven't done a lot of stuff this week as far as prototyping goes because I've been using my printer to catch up on all of the orders. I got a couple more left to ship, and I think we're pretty much caught up, so that'll be finishing up this week or the next couple days. I did run out of stickers, so I'm waiting those to get printed tomorrow, and then I will continue shipping everything that hasn't shipped yet. So let's get into a couple of the updates real quick. The normal 88 to 91, the 9091 cup holders, I'm almost caught up on shipping those. I did have a chance to get the prototype cover done for the 8889s, the cars with the coin holders. And this is kind of what I'm going to test out with. This is the prototype version 2 actually. So obviously this is going to sit in the car like so. This piece is basically just going to be a cover. There's a hole here where you're going to use the factory screw, and it's just going to butt up to the bottom. Let's see if I can get this any closer. Anyway, it's going to butt up to the bottom. So really all you're going to see, if I can get this to butt up right, is basically that at the bottom. This is just going to replace the bottom piece of the coin holder. So basically we're just replicating this piece here. I am going to add into the bottom of this 2 little cylinders coming out that will help it line up with these 2 holes. So everything will line up, and I'm also I've already designed the prototype after I saw this. There's two little pieces that are going to sit right here, and what they're going to do is they're going to sandwich this little lip, so when you slide this on, it's going to be a nice tight fit. This will actually slide over, and that way you don't get any vibration and things like that with it just sitting and just butting up against this. It'll actually pressure fit over this bottom lip here. These 2 hold up. So that's the update on the coin holders. If those test out, I've got a buddy with the CRX here in Boise. I'm going to go test that out with this week. Make sure everything lines up correctly. If that works, they're pretty much going to be good to go. The cool thing about those is that they will use the normal 9091 cup holder. I don't have to make any changes to this. So really the only change is it's just going to be shipping with an additional piece. So you'll just pick coin holder or no coin holder. You'll get this, and then the cover is all the only change is going to be nice, which is nice because I don't have to redesign this piece. I did get, if you guys saw on Instagram, I did get a RT console piece to test. So I'll be working on this week since we are caught up and I can start prototyping with my printer again. I'll be working on the RT consoles, actually all of the Wagon consoles. There will be one that sits on top for both the RT, let's see, both of the RT models. I'll rephrase this again. Each model will have 2 different options. The automatics will only sit on top because of all the crap that's underneath. For the automatic stuff, the manuals, you'll have an option of a cutout where the cups sit lower down in like the other prototypes for the sedan and the hatchbacks, or they can go on top. And that works with the 2-wheel drive and the 4-wheel drive. For automatics the same way on the 2-wheel drives, where they will only sit on top, and then the manuals will have the option of an inset or one on top. And I am looking at doing an on top one if these ones work out right for the sedan and hatch, just so you guys have that option as well. Another cool update, I have had a chance to pick up, actually let me grab it here. This is a DA center console. One of my buddies, his car is down right now, so I sweet talked him into letting me borrow his console. And the cool thing that I found out once we got it out is this piece is, if you can get it here, anyway, it is bolted in. So pretty much everything from here all the way around, this whole piece here removes out. So what I'm going to do, or attempt to do, is mock this guy up, or basically copy this, but I'm going to put a cup here and one over here, maybe a larger one and a smaller one. This one will do like just like cans, where this one, since it's a little bit larger, you'll be able to do your fountain drinks. So that's my plan with that one. We'll see. I'm going to try to get them right out to the edge where there's no cutting, so it'll pretty much just bolt in and you're good to go. That's the plan with that. So for you DA guys, we do have a couple options for those. I believe that those are the same between the sedan and the two-door, but I will confirm that just to make sure. Pretty much that's all I've been working on this week. Prototyping will definitely pick up this next week once the printer is free. I've only got a couple more to print out just to help out my buddy in Boise, because one of his printers went down this week, so we've just been cranking them out as fast as we can. If you guys have any questions or suggestions, make sure you post them below. I'm taking everybody's suggestions into account so we can make these cup holders as best as we can, so they kind of fit, you know, more people. And I'm hoping to get a couple options out there so nobody's just stuck with one option and that's all you guys have. You guys have a couple options to fit your styles and stuff like that. Make sure you follow us on Instagram, YouTube here, and on Facebook. And then check us out on the website. I am posting stuff there every couple days on updates. I link all of our YouTube videos and stuff there for the vlogs. So follow us everywhere. I try to post updates as often as I can, almost daily if possible, and keep you guys updated. So we'll see you in the next video.